Welcome to the Beyond 20 Cherwell tutorial series. In this video, we will demonstrate new features available to configure and promote using blueprints in the Cherwell Administration Console for Cherwell CSM 9.6 and above. We are reviewing all of the new items that can be added to a blueprint. So we're going to review each item as we go through them. And we'll just start up here at the top. So the first one is Adaptive Layout Preset Manager, and this is where you can add your adaptive layout presets. Version 9.6 comes with 5 presets for tablets, so a tablet and a tablet landscape. And you'll see that the width and height are the only things that you can set. Also the color, which is the color band in the form layout, which is available. So tablet is the portrait version, and then tablet landscape. Then we have the small version, which is for an iPhone or a smartphone, and the small embedded form layout, which would be for your specifics form, and then the regular embedded form. But you can create new presets here, and all they are is just give it a name, Another new feature with dashboards is that dashboards now have the ability to store an adaptive layout for the dashboard. And the out-of-the-box demo dashboards are going to come with those 3 main ones, the small, the medium, which would be the tablet, and the base. And once again, when they say adaptive, they do not mean responsive, so they do change from one layout to another at a media breakpoint, which is defined by the width of the layout. However, these are 3 distinct dashboards in the definition layer. And if you make changes in any one of them, they do not apply to the other 2. So if you want to make a change to a field or a widget on a dashboard layout, and you have you're using the adaptive layouts that are built in here, you would need to add that widget to each one of these layouts. Adding it to one would not add it to the others 2. New to this version of Cherwell Service Management, if you've used older versions 9.3.2 and before, you did not see prompts as being something you could store. You can now store prompts and save them. The definition manager for the prompt looks exactly like it did for a custom prompt, but now you can save that prompt. So let's say we want a prompt for still sits at the same association, so you could create one for each different association that you wanted. Reports are now available in the Publisher Manager. You can either use the Cherwell Report Writer, SQL Reporting Services, Crystal Reports, or other. You can edit the report properties or design the report here. Add your calculated fields. Select your report culture if this is a globalized system. And actually open up the Cherwell Report Writer Design Manager. Make your changes. Save your report. And the updates to that report will be saved in your blueprint and carried forward by Blueprint instead of having to export the reports from one system to another. Scheduled items is new to the Blueprint Manager. Now, the difference here is you can only schedule jobs that have either a report or a one-step as an action. Any other types of actions you will have to go through this scheduler, and those will have to be done in each environment. But if it's a one-step or a report that you want to set as a schedule, you can set up the schedule in the Blueprint Manager for scheduling, and it will carry forward in your blueprint. Teams is also new. You can add a team and have it carry forward in the blueprint, but the membership will have to be set up separately in the settings manager of the administration console in each of the environments. And this would be because you may not have the same team membership in each environment. Sometimes you will, but not always. So the only thing you can really add here is the team. You can give it a name. You can give it a description. You can determine whether you want to send email to all team members or to a specific email alias. And then the Themes Manager has a new added value folder called Action Catalog Classic. And this has several different action catalogs, including one for cards with search, which has become a popular service catalog widget. One thing I did notice is that the preview still only shows you the service catalog collaboration. Well, I hope you found that this video was informative. And if you like our videos from Beyond 20, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us at www.beyond20.com for more information on how Beyond 20 can help you with all of your Cherwell service management and Cherwell asset management needs, as well as any training needs you may have with ITIL, DevOps, or other ITSM services.